In this video, I am going to show you that how to use AI without internet. You can do a lot of things with the help of AI. So first of all, you will go to LM Studio website, and here you can see the downloading option for Mac, Windows and Linux. Here I already downloaded for Windows. You can explore the website and download the LM Studio. So I already downloaded and I will close it. So for now, I will open LM Studio in my PC, and here you can see that I have already chat with him and I have asked a lot of questions. And in the this section, you will see a lot of LLM models and their space, that DeepSeek R1 and a lot of LLM models are here. You can download it and use it. They depend on their speed. So every LLM models have their own functions, features, so you can download it and use it. So I have already downloaded the Gamma AI and DeepSeek R1. So you can download any AI related to your niche and related to your work. So I will download the DeepSeek R1. So I already downloaded, but I have paused it. And here is Llama 32 1 terabytes. And here you can see a lot of AI models. You can download it. If you are new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button and like the video and share with your friends. So I already download DeepSeek R1 model, but here you can see the Gamma and Llama AI models also. So I will close that particular picture you can see on my screen, and now I load the Gamma AI, and also you can see that in the directory you can see the piles of the remaining AI that I have downloaded. So I will load the Gamma AI from here. You can see that you will see the Gamma AI above in my loaded model. So I will later use it when download any LLM model. So you can search here in the model section. So you will load the model, and after that turn up your internet, as like I want to turn up my internet. So I will just press the Wi-Fi button, and it will I will off my internet, and after that I will ask any question like who made you, right? And I will load the model. So it will take some time, and after that you will see the result that without internet it will give you result. So you can use it for your purpose, for your work purpose, for your any kind of work related to AI. You can use it without internet. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. And in this channel I upload tutorials like this, so you can watch it later. And um, it will take some time. After that you will see the result, that giving me without internet I can run any AI model. So here you can see that the AI is giving me answer without internet. So it say you that a great question. I am created by a team of brilliant engineers and scientists at Google's. So my internet is off, you can see, and it's giving me result. So this is a big change to the world. So you can train your LLM model later and use it for your own functions, work, and other things related to internet and computer. So you can see it's constantly giving me the answer uh, without internet, and you can see the result. So it's depend on the models which have better result you want to get, you can download the freemium and other LLM models, like they have more capacity. So you can see that I want to open my internet now and I can download the LLM model. It's give me more better result because they have more data and more so